Opening statements today in the trial of Daniel Penny. The 26-year-old Marine vet is charged in the chokehold death of 30-year-old Jordan Neely on board the subway last year. Penny told responding officers Neely was threatening to kill people on the train. Neely struggled with homelessness, drug addiction, and mental health issues. Demonstrators were outside the courthouse on the first day of the trial. Alice Gaynor has been covering the case since jury selection began and was inside the courtroom today. Alice.
Dick, quite a few members of the public were inside the courtroom to observe the trial. About 20 seated in the back, even more in the hallway waiting to try and get in. There was a row for friends and family of Jordan Neely, and about 6 rows of journalists were in there. Jurors heard from 5 witnesses today, 3 responding police officers and 2 MTA employees. They also viewed police body cam. Jurors saw multiple body cam videos from responding officers on May 1st, 2023 on board a stopped F train. We are blurring Jordan Neely on the floor. Daniel Penny tells officers when asked what happened. He's then asked if Neely has a weapon on him.
I don't know. I just put him out.
The officer searched for weapons and pulls a muffin out of Neely's jacket. The officer says he feels a pulse on Neely. Another says he's breathing. Narcan is administered. Eventually, CPR begins. Narcan is administered again. CPR continues. Eventually, an AED is brought. A second officer testified he was surprised at how long it took an ambulance to arrive. Penny's attorneys told jurors during opening statements, "This is a case about what a young man did for others, what we want someone to do for us." Prosecutors say while Penny's intentions were good, he used far too much force for far too long, arguing Penny had Neely in a chokehold for nearly 6 minutes, that Penny was reckless with Neely because he didn't recognize his humanity. Defense attorneys argue Penny did value human life and was protecting people on the train by restraining Neely. They told jurors this trial is not about heroes and villains. An attorney for Neely's family sees it differently.
Because we know who the victim is in this case, and we know who the villain is.
The scene that our client had to contend with on that subway will really come to light when we start hearing from some of these passengers.
Penny has pleaded not guilty to second-degree manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide. The trial resumes Monday. Outside of Manhattan Criminal Court, Alice Gaynor, CBS News, New York.
All right, Alice, thank you.